paper crafting friends. I just wanted to pop on real quick and share the September 2020 Kiwi Club with you. I just got it in the mail today. It's called Pocket Full of Sunshine. I didn't even open it. Well, I took it out of the package. But other than that, I didn't open everything because I wanted to do that with you. So I'm going to start with the templates. So let's see what we've got. I did see a little image that gave a bit of a preview, but I have not seen them in person as far as checking out sizes and things like that. So here we go. And I'll scooch this to the side just so we can see them on a darker surface. So we've got a really cool sunflower. And this little set of templates, it looks like they've named Homegrown. Oh, look at that. We could make a great little center. And then a little fence, like a picket fence. And then that fun pocket. So those are going to be a blast to play with. And I always really love to use the packaging in a layout. So the first thing, like, look at this. Oh, not quite. I might have to modify it a little bit. But it looks like you could almost use the pocket template to cut that out. So let's see what's inside. And I do often use the back of the package as well. I'll cut some strips from here and use those as little borders on a page. So that's fun. And it looks like there's a lot of extra this time. So that could be used as well. Love it. This color palette is going to be so much fun to play with. So we've got this great sunflower print. The back side of it is a nice medium blue with just a textured stripe. Look at this pocket with all these sunflowers. So fun. And then just like a navy with a white dot. More sunflowers, like on little leaves. That's cute. And just this kind of a medium yellow, pretty. Got a nice blue here that's got some textured, like a weave on it. And the back side is a lighter yellow. This is a fun print that brings all of the colors that we've seen so far. So that's a really good print to bring everything together. Oh, another tone of yellow. It's kind of a medium blue with some different colored circles on it. The back side is kind of I'd call that like a wheat color with a interesting texture. And I bet, yep, there's two of these. So nice blue textured print with a darker blue on the back side. So those would be intended to be background sheets. And then another blue patterned page with a yellow design on the back side. So again, two of those for background print. So let's take a quick look at the cards. And we'll see what these are. If you are not a member of the Kiwi Club yet, I would highly recommend that you take a look. There's a link in the description for the video, so you can always check it out. Feel free to message me if you have any questions. Look at these, would be really fun. Cut with this little template here. Nice, love it. And usually the back sides of these cards are just a plain textured print, which is kind of nice. If you don't use something, then it works out well for a photo mat or a little accent for making a card or just a little page decoration. This one says, "Thanks for adding sunshine to my day." Oh, happy thoughts on the back. This one says, "Teach, love, inspire." If you don't already know it, I am a first grade teacher, so I love that little reference to teaching. I love you like a sunflower loves the sun. Cute. Your smile makes me smile. Sunshine and smiles cure everything. Oh my gosh, you guys, this kit is going to be so fun. Shine, let what is beautiful inside of you grow. And then the back side of that one, a little extra sunshine just in case you need it. That would be a fun card. And then there's some little labels on here, just all different words that are family members. Ah, here we go. That's what this is for. Happiness is being a, and then you can plug it in. A teacher, a friend, a grandma. Neat. This one says love, and then it's got little pencils here. Cute pattern on the back. You are my sunshine. Looks like that is just the right size to be the inside of this sunflower. Love that. So cute. I want to put it in my pocket. So kind of custom made to use with that pocket template. They really put so much thought into these kits. Love it. Be the sunflower. Be bright and cheery. Be big and bold. Be strong and resilient. Know your roots. Cute. This one says sending you a smile. And then keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see the shadows. It's what the sunflowers do. And then the back side says be silly, be honest, be kind. So you could really decide which of those fits for what you want to use it for. So lots of great stuff in this kit, you guys. I will post a video later in the month as part of the Kiwi Lane YouTube collaboration. So I believe we're up to 5 videos or so that should be part of that collaboration. That'll be coming later in September. So I hope that you're looking forward to that. If you want to know more about Kiwi Club, like I said, reach out and I'd be happy to answer any questions. If you are a member, I hope you're ready to play. We'll see you guys later this month. Bye-bye.